All right, here is the spreadsheet for tracking the 6th grade math goal at Valley View. I'll sort of run through how it works, and then I'll show you how to make your own copy and get it set up for your own classes. So up in the upper left here is the target percent, because I know some of you had different thresholds that you were looking for, whether it be 90 or 100%, I think were the two, and so this is where you would just type in the goal that you're shooting for. This is the other key number. This is the number of the percentage of students who have actually reached the goal at some point throughout the year. And so down the left here we have the student names, and you can put what period they're in just so you can keep track of that. And then this is a calculated field based on whether that student has ever reached the goal. And so as we look across here, student A, we have the goal set right now at 100%. Student A did not reach it the first time but did reach it the second time, and so it says yes. Notice this student reached it the first time, did not reach it the second time. It still says yes. This is calculating whether the student ever reached that goal, and this is the percentage of students who have reached it at any time throughout the year. Then we get into the individual attempts, so you can put the date here. I know probably you're not changing this a lot, but if you need to change how many points that particular assessment was out of, you can change that there. And then you simply put the points in for the kid, and if when you type in the points, it calculates the percent, and everything updates automatically. And so if this kid, you went back and double checked it, and the kid had gotten 100%, you notice this percent who reached the goal on that particular assessment changes. This changed to a yes. This also changed. And so then you just have attempt 2. You can put the date in there. Again, it's out of 18 points. You put the scores in. Attempt 3, you would put the date in, put the scores in, and so on. And I don't really know how many times you plan on giving this. I've got it set up to fit in 10 attempts throughout the year, but we can certainly add more if need be. So that's really all there is to using it. You just need to get your student names in and then type in the scores. As far as making your own copy, what you're going to want to do is just go up to File and choose Make a Copy, and then it'll pop up with the name. And so you could just put, instead of putting copy of, you could just put your name in there, however you want to do it. And then once that copy pops up, you can now edit it. And what I would probably do is I would just go in here, highlight this stuff, and then just go to Edit, Delete Values. We'll just clear out those values. Do the same thing with these scores. Highlight those scores that I had in there, Edit, Delete Values. And then here, Edit, Delete Values. And now, of course, everything's sort of all messed up because we keep dividing by 0, but it'll work when you put the scores back in. And then hopefully you can have the names that you could just paste into here. Otherwise, you type in the names. When you type in period 1, you don't have to type that over and over again. You can just type it once, grab this little blue bar, and scroll it down. And then you just type the points in for the attempts. If you want to change this, I think you just want to make sure you enter it as a decimal, so you would enter 0.9. Nope, I guess I'm wrong. It's set as a percent, so you would just type as 90%. And then if a kid hits 90%, so 16 isn't quite good enough, 17 would do it, and now they have reached it. We'll put a name in there, the calculation works now, and so 100% of the people have reached the goal. If it doesn't seem to be working like you want it to, or you want it to do something else, just let me know and we can work on it. Otherwise, hope it works out well for you. Thank you.